In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have both tools talking to each other so you can automatically create Asana tasks directly from your HubSpot workflows. Let's start inside your HubSpot account. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation bar. On that bar, you'll see a small marketplace icon that looks like a storefront or a little shop. Go ahead and click that marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps all the apps and integrations you can connect to your account. When the app marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type in Asana. Give it a second, and you should see the Asana app appear in the results. Click on the Asana app listing to open its details page. This page will give you a quick overview of what the integration does, but for now we're going to focus on getting it installed. On the Asana app listing page, look for the button that says Install App and click it. HubSpot will now walk you through the authorization process so it can connect to your Asana workspace. A new window or tab will open, asking you to log in to Asana if you're not already signed in. Enter your usual Asana login details, then confirm the connection by clicking Allow. This step gives HubSpot permission to create tasks in Asana on your behalf. Once the integration is connected, head back to HubSpot and go to the Automation section. Under Automation, select Workflows. From here, choose an existing workflow that you want to enhance with Asana tasks. For example, this might be a deal-based workflow or a contact-based workflow that runs when a lead reaches a certain stage. Inside your chosen workflow, find the spot where you want Asana tasks to be created. Click the plus icon to add a new action to that workflow. In the list of available actions, look for and select Create an Asana task. This tells HubSpot that when your workflow reaches this point, it should automatically send a task over to Asana. Now you'll see configuration options for that action. This is where you map your HubSpot data into Asana fields. Choose the Asana project, assign the task owner if needed, and use HubSpot properties to fill in details like the task name or description. Take a moment to review your mappings, then click Save. Your integration is now set up, and HubSpot will create Asana tasks automatically based on your workflow.